my dear students, I am going to explain you what is a balanced chemical equation. So when we talk about balanced chemical equation, it implies that the number of atoms of different elements which are reacting in the left side of the arrowhead should be equals to the total number of atoms of different elements in the products. That means one arrowhead is given, arrow mark is given, and left to that we write the reactants, and right to it we write the product or products. As in the case of water formation, you find reactants are hydrogen and oxygen gases, and in the product you find water. Okay, so in the reactants you find, if you write the reaction, then you write 2H2 plus O2, arrowhead 2H2O. And you know hydrogen and oxygen are non-metals. And this also you know that non-metals are diatomic. And that's why we have to write 2H2 plus O2, arrowhead 2H2O. In place of hydrogen plus oxygen, you cannot write H plus O. It is wrong because they are gases, and that's why they are non-metals, and non-metals are diatomic. So we will write H2 plus O2. Arrowhead has 2O. And then we will balance. And in balancing, by putting 2 left to hydrogen, then it becomes 2H2. Then it becomes 2 into 2, 4 atoms of hydrogen in the reactant part. Similarly, in the product part, you see 2H2O you are writing, then 2H2, that means 2 into 2. Hydrogen becomes 4. Number of hydrogen atoms is 4 in the product part. And oxygen part, in the reactant you find that it is O2. So there are 2 atoms in the reactant part. So in the product part also you find there is 2 atoms of oxygen. Because 2H2O, then O 2 into 1, that is 2. So hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms in the reactants part is equals to the hydrogen atoms and oxygen atoms in the product part. And that's why it is a balanced chemical equation. 2H2 plus O2 arrowhead, 2H2 is a balanced chemical equation. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.